How to change your Discord username. So for that you have to follow these steps. So first of all, tap on the Discord icon on your device to open the app or open it on your PC. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to open user settings. Inside user settings, tap on my account to access your account details. Find the edit button next to your current username and tap on it to begin editing. Delete your existing username from the text field to make room for the new one. Type in your desired new username accurately in the text field. Discord will automatically check if your new username is available and not already taken by another user. For security purposes, enter your account password to confirm the username change. Once everything is confirmed, tap the Done button to save your new username. Go back to My Account and confirm that your new username is correctly displayed on your profile. Thank you for watching.